So what's next for Bitcoin? So we're expecting the price of Bitcoin to hover, to trade inside this parallel channel. So magdi-dribble yan dyan ng ilang araw before we finally break to the upside or to the downside. So ang parallel channel po na upward, ang basag po niyan, the likelihood na babasag yan pababa. Pag ganyan yung parallel channel mo, there's a likelihood na ang basag niyan pababa. Kailan? I don't know. So you just have to be prepared kung babasag ko in case bumasag yan. Again, this is a probability game. So, ang probability na bumasag sa baba, bumasag sa taas. But it's just that, pagka ganito po yung channel, ang probability nito is to break to the downside. What if dito sa upside bumaba? Again, that's the probability. That's a function of probability. So, kailangan ready kayo. But in the immediate short term, we're expecting Bitcoin just to trade inside. So, ito yung mga magagandang maglagari. Meaning, if you know how to trade, you know how to swing inside this channel, good for you. Kahit sa spot lang, every time tumatama po dyan, just buy. Pag nag-pump, you sell. Dito sa baba, lower portion, buy, sell. Okay, diniscuss natin yan sa practical charting. Natouch na natin yung 100K. Okay, good na tayo. We will try to revisit it, retest it, break it again. But most likely, dito lang tayo. Meron tayong resistance. Ayan, remember, ito po, no, itong trend line na to. This is around 108, 110. Pwede mag-overshoot. Yes, pwede yan. That's a possibility na mag-overshoot yan. But let's see, until mangyari po yun. Okay? During the start of the year is at 90 to 105K Bitcoin. Nandun pa rin tayo. Hindi pa rin, nalampasan natin yung 90 but we haven't broken the 105. So, nandun pa rin tayo dun sa range